You've been told that your instructor uses weighted grades. Well, what does this mean? It just means that your instructor uses categories to assess your performance in a class. And these categories are parts of a whole. The two categories in this example are acquisition and mastery. Acquisition grades are grades that show that you're practicing the content. These would be like homework grades or short quizzes, things that are helping you to learn the information. On the other hand, mastery grades are grades that show that you're actually learning the content, like tests or projects or large quizzes, things that show you know the information at hand. So if your instructor tells you, for example, that your acquisition category is worth 30% and your mastery category is worth 70%, you may be wondering how to calculate your total grade. Well, here's how you do it. You find your sub-average for acquisition. And in this example, we'll just say that you've done all your homework and all the practice assignments and you've really been focusing on preparing yourself. And so you have a 100% sub-average for your acquisition category. You would multiply this by 0.30, and then you find your mastery sub-average. Again, this would be all the tests, projects, large quizzes, anything that shows you've actually mastered the content. You find that in this example, you're making an 85% in this subcategory. You would multiply it by 0.70 because, again, it's worth 70% of your overall grade. It's pretty big. You do the math. You find out that you're earning an 89.5%, which, of course, rounds to a 90% A. Good job. It was worth all the effort. Keep learning.